If you're man enough to have a baby, then you're man enough to have a job. And if you don't, I'm going to put you in jail and you're going to be cutting grass in the jail. The days of you sitting at Xbox, playing Xbox all day, smoking dope all day, doing nothing are over. You coming in here and tell me about grandma this, weed that. I'm not buying any of that. How's jail?
Sucks, man.
Great. That's great. Another theft case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? You high right now?
I don't believe he's intoxicated, Judge, at all.
What was the bond violation for?
Your Honor, it was for alcohol use. She was at a catering event, and we believe it's nail
I didn't
polish.
use any. I didn't have any.
Blah, blah, blah. Mr. Smith Torres, how's jail? ¿Cómo está la cárcel?
Sí. ¿Cómo está la cárcel? La cárcel. Mala. Bad.
Good. It's jail.
La cárcel.
It's not supposed to be fun.
I'm not gonna do it again though.
If I had one strand of hair for every time someone told me that, I would have hair looking like this. What do you do for a living, Miss Sandoval?
Social media,
What does that mean?
like influencer,
You what?
like a social media influencer.
You're an influencer. How much money do you make a month from influencing?
10,000 a month.
Never mind, Judge.
You will be required to pay the fines and fees for all of this. Have you ever had a full-time job?
Yes, sir.
What year? What decade was
This decade.
it? Try to wake you up. He tested positive for meth.
So depressed. I'm homeless. I couldn't. I've been so clean for so long, Your Honor.
Homeless, not working yet, you can use meth, right? In the blink of an eye. Just quick, 15 years have passed. And then if you keep the hard living, you're going to look like a Quasimodo looking MF here. At 30, you're going to look like you're 71. What does he want to do till midnight?
I think it's just to go be able to take a date out, Judge, and not have
Go
to
out and
slay-
party and
Take a woman out to dinner. He's a 25-year-old man who is attempting to have relationships with ladies, and it's difficult when you have to tell them you turn into a pumpkin at 9 o'clock. Judge, I mean, he's innocent until proven guilty.
You get a public defender.
I need more hair. I'm not going to get it. How's jail?
Oh, cold.
Yeah, that's true. It's cold, dark, smells. So the child has to tell you to stop drinking. You get upset, you wig out, and you unleash without thinking of what the consequence is. Whoever you're hanging out with, whatever you're doing, do the opposite, because what you're doing now, it's not working. So you have been bumming off your wife.
I was DoorDash.
You lost your license. You're unable to DoorDash at all. Beggars can't be choosers. It's better to work at Burger King, at Chuck E. Cheese, than sit on your tuchus with do nothing, earning nothing, and leeching off other people and society in general. If you fail to get the monitor, you ever fail to come back, I'm going to make your bond so high your hair is going to look like mine. Do you understand? Nothing good happens on the streets. How old are you? Oof.
Order in the court.
The hard living 42, man. You don't look 42.
Did PCP 2 weeks ago.
Stop. It's ruining your life. But you do this and then you get out there and it happens again.
It scared me so much this time, and
I believe it. I believe it. I don't believe one iota. Nope. How old are you now?
28.
28 years old, and you're not a spring chicken anymore, and you don't look like you're in the best of shape.
Come on up, sir.
We got him. I can't believe it. You're harder to catch than a leprechaun, man. If you continue with the hard living, you're gonna look like a Quasimodo dude on the side of the street begging.
I was on drugs. My family doesn't accept that.
Good, as they shouldn't.
Exactly.
I don't want someone who's in my house all doped up. So you're telling me that one person can get under your skin so much
Yes, sir.
that they have now caused you to get 4 different criminal cases?
sir?
No, I don't care.
Please, let's not.
I don't understand how you were not mentally strong enough to move on.
I'm not a criminal, nor am my intention is to do crime in the world.
Since 2021, you and I have been dancing. You've picked up an attempted possession of a firearm, possession of a controlled substance, possession of a controlled substance, failure to ID, resisting arrest, failure to ID, failure to ID, failure to ID, evading arrest, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, possession of a controlled substance, failure to ID, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, criminal trespass, and another criminal trespass. You have all these problems with money, all these issues with money, and yet you come in a Gucci jacket. Really? Really? What kind of foolishness is this, Mr. Segun Bada? Your sorry goes in this ear and it goes that out that ear, because I know you will continue to act the way you want to act.
I know how serious this is. I know. That's why I tried to contact.
This is not a good way to start through your life. You look high as hell right now, Mr. Cuellar. I mean,
Tested positive for alcohol is because I take communion. And I'm at a
really,
point.
you take communion at 8 in the morning, so you don't have a lawyer. When you have a lawyer, you pay the money. They don't work for free. How's jail?
Not so nice.
Good. That makes me very happy. 2 to 10 at the penitentiary. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to be fall down, piss ass drunk to get a felony charge. They're just going to look at your record and it speaks for itself. Do you have a valid Texas driver license? You speak English, right?
Yes, I just.
The next time you test positive, your bond is going to explode. When is the last time you've had a full-time job, Mr. Anthony? Wow, it's been that long?
It hasn't been that long.
You got a kid on the way?
No.
No. Okay, good. Don't.
Okay. Listen,
Don't.
I see you put videos on YouTube on me.
I don't.
Yeah, you show it to me
I live
yesterday.
stream, so that the whole world gets to see
We're
how.
being famous, me and you now.
I gotta go Fortnite it for a while.